Guys, don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel tremendously. I'm gonna show you how to set this thing up in less than a minute. You got your BMS. It comes from the box. This is what's in the box. You have the USB cord. You have the extra cord for the light, and you got the Bluetooth cord, and then you have this cord for the battery set for the cells. You take the negative one. You put the negative one on the negative. This is the negative. You put it here, and you put the next one next to it, which is the positive. You put it next to the battery here. This is what the battery is. Okay, guys, and then you follow the next positive. You follow all the positive until you reach the main positive, which is the 14 wire, the 15 wire. Okay, you got 14 wire red, a 1 wire black to go to the negative. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, when you're done, you just plug it in. You just plug all the connection in there. You plug it in, you'll be done. Okay, that's how I have a full video how to do it together.